When you come to playing back your cues, the Go button moves you through the stack sequentially. As you go through, you will notice the different colours in the output window. Blue indicates the channel intensities which are fading up, whereas green indicates the channels fading down. An easy way to remember this is fading up towards the blue sky or fading down towards the green grass. The white intensities are not changing, so are the same as they were in the previous cue. Red intensities are in the programmer, either via the command line or from the channels on the multifunction faders. These can be cleared by pressing the clear button. During plotting and technical rehearsals, it's probable that you will need to jump around the cue stack. You can do this using the syntax Q5 and then pressing Go. If you want to jump straight into a cue without having to wait for the fade time, hold Shift while pressing Go to snap straight into that cue. Above Go is a pause button, allowing you to pause a cue during its fade. To continue the fade, simply press Go again. Double pressing pause takes you back up the cue stack, one cue at a time. It's possible to change the behaviour of double tapping the pause button inside the stack setup window. Here you can change double pause mode between Go minus and Go back. If you jump from Q1 to Q5, Go back will take you to Q1, the cue you've just come from, whereas Go minus will take you to Q4, the previous cue in the cue stack. The two master playback faders can have several functions, but the default is called HTP master. Here the left fader is an intensity master for the selected cue stack, allowing you to pull down the intensities of all the channels programmed into that stack. The right fader lives halfway along the track and is an override fader. This allows you to speed up the current fade by pushing the fader up, or slow down the current fade by pulling the fader down. Useful when the length of fade is dependent on other timings that could change, such as the length of a monologue or a scene change. The mode of these faders can be changed per cue stack in the stack setup window. Master fader can be changed to manual fader one way, which allows you to manually run fades by pushing up the master fader to go between cues. Manual fader two-way works the same, but once the fader reaches the top, pulling the fader down takes you into the next cue. Playback A and B acts in a similar way to a manual desk, allowing you to fade manually between cues with both faders, left controlling the up fade and right controlling the down fade. Perfect for the traditionalist.